What's up, Crypto Doge here, back with another video. So, getting right into this video, yesterday I hopped on the CoinMarketCap wanting to look at the price of Ethereum, right? Just a normal day. I usually go on CoinMarketCap maybe 3, 4, 5 times a day just to look at some prices of the cryptocurrencies, just because I'm curious and stuff. And because at the moment I am mining Ethereum, so I wanted to look at the price of Ethereum, right? To see how my holdings are doing. So I go on to CoinMarketCap looking at the number 2 spot to see Ethereum, right? And for a second, my heart just stopped. I was like, wait, where's Ethereum? Where's Ethereum? And then I just realized, what? Ethereum is in the number 3 spot. It's not in the number 2 spot. This was the most weird thing for me because I've been used to seeing Ethereum in the number 2 spot forever. Pretty much since I started and got into cryptocurrency, I've seen Ethereum in this number 2 spot. So right when I hopped on a CoinMarketCap and saw Ethereum wasn't there, I was stunned for a second. I was like, where is Ethereum? Where is Ethereum? And then I just realized, wow, Ripple passed Ethereum. As you guys probably already know, Ripple had an even bigger run up than it already did a few weeks ago, just yesterday. Look at this chart, guys. This is just insane. Let's go on TradingView right now. I just want to see this, how insane this went. And there has been a big milestone since Ripple at one point did hit $100 billion. I was about to say million, but it did hit $100 billion market cap, which is crazy since Ripple is the first cryptocurrency, aside from Bitcoin, of course, to hit the big milestone of $100 billion in the market cap, which is just insane. And XRP. And we're going to talk about this a bit. I just want to go on the Bittrex one. Yeah, we'll go on this, whatever. Okay. I just want to talk about this for a bit because that is just insane. Ripple hitting a $100 billion market cap when only a few months ago, let's go on the one-day chart here, it was legit at 20 cents. Okay. You go here. A few months ago, Ripple, how long ago was that? Wow, no way. This was like 2 weeks ago. 2-3 weeks ago, guys, Ripple was at 23 cents. And now it is $2. And at one point, it was almost at $3. It went up to $2.80. So that means if you were holding for only 3 weeks and you sold up here, you would have made around 10 to 15 times your money, depending on where you sold here. That is just insane. We've never seen this much of a run up in any sort of cryptocurrency this high up on the market cap in any of these top 10 spots. IOTA had some huge run ups in the last few weeks, but even that does not compare whatsoever to these Ripple run ups that have been happening. A lot of this has to do with many rumors that Ripple is teaming up with Visa. I'm gonna search that up. With Visa opinion. Okay, well, so there's been a lot of rumors that Ripple is going to be teaming up with Visa, which is just insane. And also there has also been, look, there's also been a lot of rumors that Ripple is going to be coming on Coinbase. So that's also pumping this coin a lot. And I think Ripple is just an amazing coin and is going to continue going up. Just because I'm talking very highly about this coin, does that mean you should buy in right now? No. That is actually the opposite. Do not buy in right now. No matter how good this cryptocurrency is, you always have to remember the rule that do not buy these insane highs like this. Just think, let's say you're a stock trader and you see that 3 weeks ago, this stock was at 20 cents and now it's at $2. Would a smart investor buy in at something that was worth 10% of what it is worth now only 3 weeks ago? That's pretty much how I think when I'm investing in something for long term, is that I really don't think it would be a great idea to come in here. I think this needs to get a pullback if we want to see Ripple continuing to go higher in the long term. So it has had a bit of a pullback since its top, of course, but it's still staying very stable at just under $2, which is pretty crazy. It went down to 160. This would have been a good time to buy, I think. And yeah, so I would say get into this coin. If it goes down to like 150 range, I would say definitely a good buy. But at these levels, pretty high, and it's a little bit risky to get into this cryptocurrency at this time, since the room for growth is not very high. There is still a lot of room for growth, but not very much, since it is the #2 cryptocurrency, right? And this is just insane to see Ethereum getting passed after being the #2 holder for so long. And plus, Ethereum has been going up quite a bit too in the last month or two. So it's not like Ethereum has been going down or something. Look, it's still been going insanely up. But compared to Ripple, Ethereum has been doing nothing pretty much compared to Ripple. But if you go on the 1 day for Ethereum, Ethereum is doing pretty good. I still think Ethereum is good for the long term. But honestly, I think EOS is better for the long term than Ethereum, because I actually like the technology for EOS a little bit better than Ethereum. And this obviously has more room for growth because it's only at $5 billion, while Ethereum's at $72 billion. So I think definitely a good investment would be EOS. But I'm going to be talking more about this in other videos. But yeah, let's get back to the Ripple, talking about Ripple. So Ripple, especially with all these rumors about Ripple teaming up with Visa and etc., as you guys can see, and the fee of Ripple is so low compared to Bitcoin or Visa fee. That's why people are saying this is an insanely good coin. So I do really think Ripple is going to be going up in the long term, but is it a good idea to go into it now? No, I do not think so. See, Ripple, sorry guys. See, there's a lot of conspiracies and talks about Ripple and Visa partnership, and I think if this does happen, then Ripple is going to go up even more. But remember guys, always buy the rumors and then sell on the news. What that means is, right now, when these rumors were coming out about the Visa partnership, that would have been a good time to sell. Okay, never mind. I messed that up, guys. Sell on the rumors and then buy on no, sorry guys. I was right the first time. So when these rumors are coming out, it was a good time to buy, since the price ran up. So if you would have bought right when this was coming out, it would have been a good time. You see, this came out December 10th, right? So if you bought now, it would be perfect. And if you bought December 10th, look at the price of Ripple December 10th. December 10th, Ripple was at 20 cents. So if you would have bought this at 20 cents, perfect. And then once there's more news about it, which is now, this is a good time to sell. So always buy the rumors and sell on the news. A lot of people want to buy on the news. Like, let's say when Bitcoin Cash, sorry guys, when Bitcoin Cash was listed on Coinbase, everyone's like, okay, let's buy. Boom, boom, boom. But then what happened? It came back down, because all the price was already accounted for the integration with Coinbase. So I know this is a little bit complicated for some of you new investors, but pretty much what I mean is, when a coin is already going up in hype because of something happening, new technology, etc., that's actually the good time to sell, not a good time to buy. But that's pretty much just a lesson for this video. Just talking about Ripple and will it be passing Bitcoin. A lot of people are thinking about that too. Is Ripple going to become king and beat over Bitcoin? I'm not sure about that. But I did predict that Bitcoin will slowly be getting passed by other cryptocurrencies in the future. I still think Bitcoin's going to stay #1 in 2018. I might be wrong about that. But I think definitely in 2019, Bitcoin will not be #1 anymore. It's going to be more in the top 5 for sure, maybe top 10. But definitely there's going to be some other cryptocurrencies with better technology, faster transactions, lower transaction fees, and all that stuff that are going to be passing Bitcoin. So that's just my opinion. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this Ripple run up, and if you think Ripple is going to beat Bitcoin in the long term, or what other cryptocurrencies you think will beat Bitcoin. I'm also very bullish on IOTA, Stellar, EOS, Neo, a bunch of other cryptocurrencies. So let me know in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Peace.